In your honest opinion, can an older foreign man, 30 to 40 years age gap, have a chance with a young Filipina? Yes or no? What qualities should an older foreign man show to attract a young, sincere Filipina?
A relationship with an older foreign man and a younger Filipina works if both of them have.
How about you? Would you ever give an older man, Filipino or foreigner, with a 30 to 40-year age gap a chance at a serious relationship with you? What's your name and age?
Ilya and I'm 22.
Elia. That's a very pretty name, Elia. How are you tonight?
Oh, I'm very fine. I'm great.
Okay, that's good. Well, anyway, here's the question, okay? In your honest opinion, can an older foreign man, 30 to 40 years age gap, have a chance with a young Filipina? Yes or no?
Maybe yes.
What makes a relationship between an older foreign man and a young Filipina work?
Um, Work. I think if if the two are mostly compatible, maybe it will work. And mostly if they have the same vibes, I think it will work. Really work.
Same vibes. What qualities should an older foreign man show to attract a young, sincere Filipina?
I think he can have the qualities that we find charming, like being assertive at what the younger Filipino wants, just like things just things.
Other than those, how can older men have a chance with a young Filipina?
Maybe they can boost their attitude vibes, their charming looks. I don't think, well, maybe looks, mostly looks. We love those looks.
The looks.
The looks, mostly the looks.
Just be handsome and that's it. The Filipina will like them.
Yeah, and mostly like they are being genuine to that Filipino.
Why do you think some older men prefer a young Filipina?
Maybe I think they prefer younger Filipina because they are more at home. They have a lot of energy and vibes that gives them a lot of positive energy also. Like
Because they're younger.
they're younger, they makes the foreigner look younger or like feel younger.
I love that. Okay, last one. Okay, how about you? Okay, before this, would you date foreigner?
Oh yes.
Okay. This one, would you ever give an older man, Filipino or foreigner, with a 30 to 40-year age gap a chance at a serious relationship with you?
Oh yes, but I think just at the limit age of 30. 30 and under below. That's all.
30 years age gap.
Yes.
Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
And you're 22.
Yes. I'm 22.
That's beautiful. Are you in college now or you're working?
Oh, I'm working.
May we know what's your job?
Mostly part-time jobs like tutoring and also cleaning CRs. That's a part-time job.
You also clean houses like that?
Yeah, mostly yeah. Comfort rooms like just a part-time though.
You're very like industrious, like it's good.
Yes. I prefer like cleaning things because I want things to be organized.
Okay. And it's also interesting that your English is good. Your grammar is good, the pronunciation is good. So why is like you studied college before, right?
No, I didn't college. I didn't studied college. I just I'm undergraduate actually. I just finished junior high school, but I excel at English class.
What's your name and age po?
I'm Nicole and 24 years old.
You look so pretty, Mom Nicole. She has friends here. They're waiting for her. But anyway, Mom, here's the question. In your honest opinion, can an older foreign man, 30 to 40 years age gap, have a chance with a young Filipina? Yes or no?
Based on my observation, I think yes.
What makes a relationship between an older foreign man and a young Filipina work?
Um, I think maybe because of the younger Filipina prefer to be loved, to be cared, and mostly young boys out there they just play, so play the feelings of younger women. And I think the reason why younger Filipina chose to um, be partnered with older foreign men is because they are matured enough to handle the relationships.
Wow. Okay. What qualities should an older foreign man show to attract a young, sincere Filipina?
Mm, I think mm, um, when um, when he showed how to care, not only to a younger Filipina but also to her family, and that's I think that's it.
Okay. Why do you think some older men prefer a young Filipina?
Um, maybe because maybe because on how Filipina loves, because we all know that Filipino is um really good in hospitality, taking good care of everyone, almost everyone, providing um the best customer service, or like in all aspects.
No. Last question, ma'am, because I think you're in a hurry now. Okay, last one. How about you? Would you ever give an older man, Filipino or foreigner, with a 30 to 40-year age gap a chance at a serious relationship with you?
Actually, I am in a long-term relationship right now, and I cannot look for other 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 than my partner po.
Wow. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, mom. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. She have pretty friends over there as well. They're waiting. Very beautiful. Very shy as well. But yes, thank you, mom. What's your name and age?
I'm Alpine, 22 years old.
Alfine. Who gave that name to you? Very beautiful. Alfine. Okay. So, Alfine, here's the question. In your honest opinion, can an older foreign man, 30 to 40 years age gap, have a chance with a young Filipina? Yes or no?
Um, yes, but it depends. If the young Filipina is a minor, then absolutely it's not applicable. But if the Filipina is a young adult, then it could be possible.
What makes a relationship between an older foreign man and a young Filipina work?
Um, Personally, I don't have any idea about that, but I think um they're I don't know. The bond between them will be stronger if both of them know how to understand each other, something like that.
What qualities should an older foreign man show to attract a young, sincere Filipina?
I think being understanding and um supportive, because that young Filipina is still want to achieve something that maybe it's her dream, or yeah, it's her dream in life. I think.
Other than the, being supportive and understanding, how can older men have a chance with a young Filipina?
Oh my god. Yeah. Um, I don't know. Maybe.
No comment at all. Yeah, okay. How about you? Would you ever give an older man, Filipino or foreigner, with a 30 to 40-year age gap a chance at a serious relationship with you?
Um.
I think personally I don't know if that's possible because my parents are super strict when it comes to relationship. So it's no for me.
Very strict. Okay, you're 22 years old. Are you single or do you have a partner now?
I'm single.
Since birth?
Um no, but single.
How strict are your parents?
Um uh, they uh, they often ask questions, and then they make sure that that guy that I'm with is compatible with me.
But would you ever date a foreigner?
Um I think yes. If um we um if we able to have a good bond with each other, then I think
Are you still studying or you're working now?
I'm studying.
May we know what's your course, ba?
I'm my BS tourism management.
What's your name and age?
I'm Stephanie. I'm 24 years old.
Stephanie, you look like you're 18 or could be 17, 16. You look so young. How are you tonight, Stephanie?
I'm okay.
Here's the question. In your honest opinion, can an older foreign man, 30 to 40 years age gap, have a chance with a young Filipina? Yes or no?
For me, yes.
What makes a relationship between an older foreign man and a young Filipina work?
Work.
Yes.
Um, for me, a relationship with an older foreign man and a younger Filipina works if both of them have respect and love for each other. Respect. You respect each other's boundaries, and love. If you truly love that person, I think it will work naman po.
What qualities should an older foreign man show to attract a young, sincere Filipina?
Um, the way he takes care of that of the girl, and how how he respect the girl, and how he set boundaries. Yeah, because for me, respect is important, and we shall not we should not force someone to be with us. Yeah.
Respect. Okay, this one. Why do you think some older men prefer a young Filipina?
Honestly, I don't see. I mean, I don't know how I why this older man prefer younger men. So I don't want to answer. I'm sorry. I don't.
Okay, well, we respect that. No, no comment or just no, don't know, right?
Yes. Po.
How about you, Stephanie? Would you ever give an older man, Filipino or foreigner, with a 30 to 40 year age gap a chance at a serious relationship with you?
Um, I know it may be contradicting from what I said before, but for me, because this is my own opinion, I don't think I can, because mm,
You don't prefer someone who's older than you, right?
yes, po.
Okay. Are you saying
But I know for some it's they prefer, but for me, yeah, I know.
okay, you don't?
No,
Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
Since birth,
And you're 24 years old. Are you still studying or you're working now?
I'm working now.
May we know what's your job?
I'm accounting associate po.
That's great. Here in Naga, you're working here, right?
Yes po.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Stephanie. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection